This is a blizzard. We're at Piancovallo, near our house. Smile, sissy. Look at how we can't even see anything. Earlier, we could see everything, but now it's coming down a blizzard. We're at Piancovallo, Neverlandia sledding area. It's lots of fun. It's a good thing I got this Arctic suit on. Staying nice and warm. See all those people up there getting ready to go sledding? And thankfully they have this conveyor belt here. So after you're done, you just get on this conveyor belt and come on up. Elgin! Where's Elgin? The snow's nice, huh? What are you saying?
Because the snow touched my nose, and then now I feel sad for no reason.
Because snow touched your nose, you feel sad?
Yeah.
That's interesting. All right, we're gonna go up here and go down the hill.
Guys, look.
Oh, you're making a snowball.
Here's a snowball.
We're gonna go up here and go down this hill.
Tell me when we're close.
We're pretty close to the end of this conveyor. Look at all this snow. This is pretty amazing. Where do you think Elgin is? Uh-oh.
No,
Well, let's walk. The conveyor stop.
Huh?
Come on. It stops every so often. All right, you ready to go, sissy?
Not home.
Not home, down the hill.
I'm mad.
Okay, let's wait.
Hey! Where Elgin go?
He's coming up the hill, probably. You see him?
Daddy. Catch.
No. Oh my. Oh my. That hit. It hit me.
Try what?
This.
No.
Oh my.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, okay?
Where's Elgin?
Okay, let's see the video.
Okay, we're gonna go down the hill first.
Oh, Google.
Come on.
Did you
Where's
see
Elgin?
the video?
I don't know.
All right, let's go. It's a videoing. We're
Wait,
gonna
let me
go
see.
down the
Let me
hill.
see the video. Let me see what
I'm
happened.
gonna go
See?
inside the car, okay?
All right, let's go.
When really cold.
We'll meet you in the car, my dear. This will be our last turn.
Wait, what? No.
It
Is
is?
it? Okay, we're going. Here we go. Eldridge! Move! Don't hit. Move. Ah! Sissy's here. Here. Oh! Woo! 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 Whoa! Oh! The G-forces. Ah! Ah! Whew.
No, I still
We made it. We're alive. All right. Have a good day, everybody. Say goodbye.
Bye.